क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है ज्योमेट्री का, मैं उसको सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ। देखिए, सबसे पहले बात है सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री। सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री। आपको एक चीज हमेशा याद रखना है, दैट मीन्स इफ द ट्रायंगल ABC, if triangle ABC, that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Question given, question, if angle A plus B equal to 108 degree, if angle A plus angle B equal to 108 degree, and angle B plus angle C equal to 130 degree. Angle B plus angle C equal to 130 degree. So when you start the solve, that is solving, when angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree, and given angle A plus angle B equal to 108 degree, you just subtract it, then you will get minus A plus A cancel, plus B minus B cancel, only angle C equal to 72 degree. See, now you put this value here. When angle B plus angle C equal 130 degree and angle C equal to 72 degree, therefore just you subtract it, you will get angle B, this C is cancelled, equal to 58 degree. Therefore required angle's value is angle A. You have got angle B and C. Angles B equal to 58 degree, angle C equal to 72 degree, and angle A fifty degree. See, this is 50 degree. Next question. Given question, angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B equal to 125 degree, angle A plus angle C, angle A plus angle C equal to 113 degree. Therefore, when angle A plus angle B plus angle C of a triangle equal to 180 degree, sum of interior angle equal to 180 degree, angle A plus angle B, it is given 125 degree, automatically this is 55 degree. That means angle C equal to 55 degree. Angle C equal to 55 degree, and you put this value here, angle A plus angle C equal to 113 degree, angle C equal to 55 degree, automatically angle A you will get A equal to 58 degree. Now you put this value in angle A plus B. When given, when angle A plus angle B equal to 125 degree, therefore angle A equal to 58 degree. Now subtract it. Angle A cancel, only angle B is here. So you will get 7 and 6, 67 degree. Now you put this value, angle A equal to 67 degree, angle B and so angle B equal to 67 degree, not A, angle B equal to 67 degree, angle A equal to 58 degree, and angle C is equal to 55 degree. So if you add it, you will get 180 degree. It is matching. Now the third question. It is very easy. First you have to remember sum of interior angle equal to 180 degree. It is given question in triangle ABC. If 3 angle A equal to 4 angle B equal to 6 angle C, then find the value of angle A, angle B, angle C. So according to the theorem, when we know the sum of interior angle equal to 180 degree, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Now given 3 angle A equal to 4 angle B equal to 6 angle C. Now you match it angle A. Therefore angle A equal to 4 by 3 angle B. Angle A equal to 4 by 3 angle B, and angle C equal to 4 by 6 angle B. Now you put this value in A, B, C, in these equations. In these equations, what you will get? For a 4 by 3 angle B plus angle B plus angle 4 by 6 angle B equal to 180 degree. Just to see, angle A equal to 4 by 3 angle B, which I have written in these equations. Now you will get 3 and 6 LCM equal to 6. X equal to 6. This is 8 angle B, and this is 6 angle B, and this is 4 angle B, and this is 180 degree. Now see, angle B equal to this 8 plus 6, 14 plus 4, 18, and 180 degree into 6 by 18. That means 60 degree. Therefore, angle B, when angle B equal to 60 degree, angle A equal to 4 by 3 into 60 degree, that is 80 degree. Angle A equal to 80 degree, angle C equal to 4 by 6 into 60 degree. Why 60 degree? Because 60 degree is angle B. So you will get 40 degree equal to 40 degree. So angle A equal to 80 degree. Answer, angle B equal to 60 degree and angle C equal to 40 degree. Answer. Now the next question. Always you have to remember the sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. This is the criteria for making triangles. Not more than that, not less than that. That this question says in triangle ABC, but in this question, in triangle PQR, question in triangle PQR, angle P minus Q if angle P minus Q equal to 42 degree and Q minus R and Q minus R equal to 21 degree, find angle P, angle Q and angle R. So don't misguide yourself. Angle ABC like this angle PQR, the sum of interior angle of triangle PQR equal to 180 degree. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. It is fixed for sum of interior angle. Given angle P minus Q equal to 42 degree. Therefore angle P equal to 42 degree plus angle 42 degree plus angle P. Plus angle Q, not P, plus angle Q. Here P minus Q 40 degree, it is going there, right hand side, automatically sign will change 40 degree. And Q minus R and Q minus angle R equal to 21 degree. So just you see, therefore angle R equal to angle Q minus 21 degree. Now you put this value here. Here you put this value. For P you can write 42 plus Q. This is the first, and for angle, and this is Q for schedule Q plus R equal to Q minus 21. Q minus 21, that is equal nothing but the 180 degree. And see, Q, 3Q and 42 plus and minus 21. This is plus 21 equal to 180. And now therefore Q equal to 180 minus 21 by 3, that is nothing but the 159 by 3 equal to 53 degree. When you have got the angle value of angle Q, when angle Q equal to 53 degree, therefore angle P equal to 53 degree plus 42 degree equal to 95 degree, and angle R equal to this Q minus 21, 53 minus 21 equal to 32 degree. Now you put this value according to this question solved. I have solved this question. Angle P equal to 95 degree, angle Q equal to 53 degree, angle R equal to 32 degree. So total is 180 degree. Okay. If you have any question, you can ask me by the comment box, and if you like it, please share it.